Nestled in a natural World Heritage Site is one of South Africa's most exclusive wildlife property offerings. This luxury safari home development in the 18,000-hectare Mountainlands Nature Reserve is situated close to the historic town of Barberton in the eastern part of the country, and is absolutely unique. Here, a combination of breathtaking scenery, ancient geological wonders, outstanding diversity in fauna and flora, as well as abundant water and a true sense of wilderness, makes Mountainlands one of Mother Nature's greatest gifts. A fragment of this wilderness could be yours to treasure. On offer are several full-title, private and exclusive 1-hectare stands in a beautiful setting in the reserve itself. These stands come with road access, electricity and a bulk water supply, allowing their owners to build either an exclusive holiday home or a game lodge for their own private use. The opportunity, though, is limited, as the reserve will only ever have 18 private stands. This means the wilderness you buy into today will remain the wilderness of the future. As a private lodge owner, you'll enjoy traversing rights across the entire 18,000 hectares. With some 100 kilometers of game viewing roads and walking trails, Mountainlands offers a lifetime of exploration.